Right, once you found the colour, okay, we know we want to do it in this. That's now come up with all the different colours we need. We just need to decide how much we want. And we don't need a lot for this. So this is in, at the moment, that's litres. We only need a tenth, which is a very small amount. We ask it to calculate all the weights again. That's advised us to put a special formula in which helps. We won't need it on this job. So we're going to weigh. It wants a job what it is, so this is the Vauxhall. Right, so that's the formula we're going to mix. Wants us to clear it all, make it all okay. Now the tin, basically this is what it means by tin. It's just the stuff you're going to mix it in. And now it says start. What that there now is, that's the tinter, i.e. the type of colour we're going to put in, and that's the weight we need to do. So we need W14.
What's in?
W14. So this is the scale, so you've got 82.6, 82.6. Just put the paint in until it gets to 0. You'll notice on the screen it'll go blue, then it'll go green. Done there, you want your next colour, which is W89. And then we'll do all these colours, and that's it mixed.
Go on, add it to it because I want to see what it comes out with.
Then go on to the next one, W66.
Doesn't look like much.
74. As you see, the weights are going lower and lower down as the different tinters are put in.
Oh yeah. How does that work when it says minus 1.2?
I'll go to 0 once it's right.
Alright. Quite a clever system, that, isn't it?